Hello everybody, it's Daniela from Little Valley Farm. I've just received a question on what to do with the alpaca dung. So here you can see I've just moved the girls into a new paddock. Now they've gone straight to a communal dung pile. They are quite spread out and I find the girls do that. It's quite familiar. The males are a lot better at keeping tighter, cleaner dung piles, but that's not a problem for us. I've got a pooper scooper. I pick that up. Then once a week, I've got a greystone paddock vac. So we're vacuuming the paddocks and we're picking up all the pellets, which is amazing. We also cross-graze with donkeys. So once the alpacas come out of the paddocks and the paddocks have been cleaned, the donkeys come in. I would never want my alpacas to be eating the grass near or around their dung piles. They'll be just ingesting eggs or parasites, and I just don't want that burden. So it's really important that you keep an eye on their dung and you pick it up regularly. And here's a couple of things that we use to keep our paddocks clean. We'll talk about this more at our alpaca workshops in the Hunter Valley.